Well, let me tell you, first I fought banh mi's for years because I just would not put that type of sandwich in my shop. It was just too complicated. Then I realized it was actually a style of sandwich. And with the vegetables on it and with the meat on it, I just put it all together. And so we found out it's got such an amazing complexity of flavors, and it's actually a vegetable meat sandwich. And it just covers all bases. And you can do it as sweet, you can do it savory, you can do it spicy. And so we're going to introduce all three of these sandwiches into our shop.